So, hello, beautiful people. Welcome to another round of me trying to improve myself and stuff. Um, we will, in this round, we will have a 5 minutes of typing exercise and 30 minutes of application development. Vanilla Java, it will be. So, yeah, let's go. Let's do this. Oh fuck. What are you doing? Does it ever happen that you want to press a key, but you press, and let's say the key is on this ring finger, and you press the ring finger on the other side? Does it ever happen to you? It happens to me. And also, it's Friday evening, right? Today, or? Go to your buyer's crust. Oh yeah. That might be the case. You know, the synapses rearranged. Come on. Also, I visited the White Panther stream today, and she made uh, the overlay in Twitch like on the bottom of the screen by herself, because of course, and I didn't know why it didn't like cross my mind. You can link a web page there. You know, like to do overlay. So I was thinking, well, maybe I can do my overlay too. My own overlay. Well, maybe I shouldn't have to deal with like those things, like which you see the time on top and so on. Those are written in Python. And this timer, that is written in C. And my stopwatch is written in Java. I was thinking, you know, maybe unify it to not be all over the place. Oh, just one of those is written in Python. The second one is written in Lua script. Yeah, so that's even more of schizophrenia. Yeah, that's the all of, well, if like JavaScript probably, which I will have a like a web page, and the web page is easily linkable as an overlay to the Twitch. So I might do it in JavaScript just as an exercise. And I need to trim my nails. Today I was at my friend's house. It was really nice because all we talked was about the patterns. You know, we discussed like some design patterns. It was really nice, you know, because I haven't seen a like live human being for a long time, so it was also nice to talk about it with someone. Oh fuck. This will be a horrible result. Yeah. Okay, that will be a horrible result, I'm almost sure. It's not as bad as I thought, 6% is pretty nice. 627. Here we go. And here's the thing, right? So previously I did 4%, right? And then it says the average is 5.31. And now I did like 6%, and it went down from 41 to 509, right? So this is what we will fix. I don't like the wire. Maybe I don't need such a good quality of audio. And also I cannot walk around with it. You know, everything has its own benefits. Okay, so here is the thing which we are doing, and the background. Did it expire? You sure it's broken? Maybe there was a free data point. I'm 100% sure. I'm 100% sure. And I can tell you because there is a date where I was saving it, and this was yesterday. Well, that was actually today, like right after midnight, and this was saved today before midnight, so I'm sure. You can see like today, yesterday, 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 yesterday. Oh, I did quite a while. Yesterday, 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 the day before yesterday. It's probably like 8 or 9 of them in here. Okay. Yeah, what about the background? And that was set up. Oh crap. 26:001, and today is 26, so after midnight, 10 minutes after midnight, this background expires, unless someone else change it first. That is also possible. disable some things. We will not have not have a stretch today. That's all there will be today. Highlighted message is not needed. Okay. Cool. Good. Goody, 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 goody. Okay, so print map statistics, and we get that's right. So oh, I see. So so what I want to do is average, then basically like do this, but I will take it out of the, oh, I'll start a timer. I will take it out of the hash map, which is put in here. What is in the map? The map. Okay, here. Have a static void print one print static. Basically, what I want to remove is the average. Those two averages that will be served by two functions in here. And here we'll say we'll take this, come on. And we will have take this basically. Yes, that's what we want. And then this is too long. Oh, come on. Here we go. Maybe I could. How does it make sense? So, this is a new line. Why do you have a new line in here? How does it look like? That's the end of the string? That's the end of the string, right? Yeah, and then I pass in the parameters. So this will not be average. This will be statistic. I called it a name. Okay. well, I don't even need this. I can do here statistic dot get name. Do you like it? And I don't need this. So we have that, and then here will be insert, and this will be statistic get error rate, like so, and this dot get ppm. Here we go. Very nice. That didn't hurt, did it? And here print statistic, and we say map dot get come on, I forgot how it's called. In the constants it is all time. Yes, exactly, that's that. Then this and this this. Ah, thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Yes. Oh fuck. Go back. Statistic. Yes. That's exactly. So now I want last 3 days, and here it will be last. Come on, it's last 7 days. Here we go. And we can try that. So I will have a look into the configuration of this, and we are saving 10.99 and 25. So that is how it did look previously. Fuck, yeah. I know what's happening. So we will not be able to have a look into the previous thing. So go back, and this will be before, and here we will. Okay, so this will work. It will bump out. No, this should work. This should work. Just run it. Just run it. Okay, so this is how it looks, right? Better than all-time average, personal best, and we have 10.99, you know, and the average is 10.99. And now, if I change the run configuration and the parameter would be something horrendous, let's say 1000, so we can see the change on the statistic. right? So we have still fuck. So yeah, we are parsing it twice. So here's before and after. And this is also setting the new thing, yeah, so, well, yeah, because I already fixed it, right? So I will be not able to replicate. That's okay, that's okay. So now what I want to test is to print the new print, right? So you'll say this is the file operations. Now where is the saving thing? Here is the saving, right? So I want before. Oh, come on. I want print dot that was something new. Print new first. I don't remember how my old methods were called. Print map statistic, okay. And this will be private. No one needs to see it. Okay. Print map statistic and statistic for map. And here we will have a print map statistic after map. This will be commented out. Oh, almost everyone left. That's that. And well, I'll try to run it and see what happens. Oh, thank you so much. Thank you for the 50. Wow. What is that? How is it called? Thank you for the 50. Thank you for 50 cheer. And welcome back to the channel, Horse. How are you? And oh, here we go. So here is before, and here is after. And before, after, before, after, before, after. Okay. Now it's changing from. Did you just got this? Probably not. You should have seen me yesterday. I had a mental breakdown. Like, oh shit. So stupid. But today I'm smart. You know, today I'm perfect. Yesterday, shitty. Really bad. Really bad. You know, like horrible. But today, perfection. Why it's up? Look at me. What am I doing? You did not see sharp again. I did not C# again. I will configure this and we'll say 10.99 run, and so this is before, and we can see this goes down with the yes, okay, and okay, so we kind of did it. I was thinking it was a reference to that. You know, sometimes I'm like really tired and I really cannot see sharp, sharply. So I was maybe like, oh, like he's referencing that. Yeah. And I'm thinking it might be like even better to have like, uh, you know, like just once. We have a Ryan soft. Oh, thank you. You must be really drunken right now. Where's what was it you? Like who said who needs more alcohol? I don't know. Maybe well, if not, I'm sorry. Maybe is the audio better today? Because I'm using now the wire, not the Bluetooth capability. So maybe it is better today. You know. So I don't know. Is like can you tell like from the last stream maybe? I'm curious. I'll have to watch my own stream then. I noticed no change, but I couldn't. Okay. Okay, thank you. Thank you for the feedback. Hmm. You know, it might say more if I would have, because this is average for all time. This is average for last 3 days. This is for last 7 days, right? But if this changes too. And maybe it would be nice to like see how was I doing the first month and then the last month, you know. Well, I don't have that much data right now, alright, but I could, you know, I could see like how bad I was when I started, you know, and then I could see like how I was improving. Maybe that would be a nice way. Yeah, something like timeline, you know, like basically what I want to see here is kind of uh, like some like positive feedback, you know, like that I want to see that I'm improving. I'm kind of satisfied that, well, this works, so maybe first would be good idea to clean up the code. And I'm not printing out the personal best also. So What is the personal best? Is this the evaluate current attempt? That's this thing, but where was... Is it in print statistics? Oh, whoa. What did you do? And close this. And print statistics is here. Here is print best. What the freak did change? Like, what did I do? What did I do? It should be somewhere, like where the hell was it? How did it look like previously? It was print statistics, and this was parse records file. This is not like... What the hell? It's not here. Well, print statistics we have here. So that's the only thing. Am I missing something? Oh yeah, here it is. It is print best. So print best will be... Is it? Oh, you mean the style in which it is? The ligatures? Yeah, I tend to use the ligatures. Here, like the double equal also is like ligature. Yeah, and I also have, like, for example, minus this this arrow, so on. Like not equal is this. You know, I do bang and then the equal sign, and when they are next to each other, it looks like this. There are many more. Maybe even I saw like in some languages the lambda is like just, you know, like the Half-Life logo. Well, lambda, the Greek letter. Okay, so we will print best here and here also. Print. Yeah, exactly. Print best, and this one will be print map statistic before. Oh, the random typing sounds is every time someone types in chat, I get like the audio notification. And maybe, is it too loud? I can... Yes. Look. Type something and you can hear the typing sounds. Hey Blue. Halfway through the stream. Yeah, we'll see. I never know. And no one's typing. Okay, so uh, here we go. It's not loud. It's just really weird. Oh well. maybe I can change. It's confusing a lot of people, so maybe I can change it to like a different sound, like doo or like the or like that. Oh, like the old ICQ had the sound like oh. You have to work in 45 minutes. I should be asleep in 45 minutes. Same thing, right? Uh, no, I didn't. I didn't. What is happening behind the scenes is I have this another chat application which looks ugly but can make the sounds. It would be cool though. But I almost finished my own stopwatch. Well, it is usable right now, but I'm not using it for some reason. Yeah, I don't know how to set it up. I don't know how to set that thing up. Maybe it is possible. That is a good idea, actually. That is a good idea. I will write it down. I will investigate. I probably would have to do it the other way around, and that would be connect the audio from the music player and from the Chrome, and that would be it. Virtual cables with Voicemeeter banana. Oh, okay. That is an application, right, or something? So here, this is not needed. Where you rewrote the audio of that up to a different speaker. Uh-huh. I think someone did link it. Did link it to me some time ago, a long time ago. I think it was Freeman. Yeah, definitely it was Freeman, but it seemed like too much of a work at the time, so I didn't do it. And I did not see like why should I really. But this is a good use case. Okay, so now if I run the application again. Okay, so you have died your personal best. Cool. Okay. Maybe Black Tomcat is does mine. That's mine. Well, this is like it kind of fulfills the MVP of the feature. Yeah, like few of I have been asked multiple times on this already. I was like, what is that? Are you chatting with someone? It's like, no, you are chatting. No, you are chatting. No, you are chatting. Maybe like this. It would look better. I'll just run it. Run it! Run it! There we go. Yeah, just typing outside got your feed. Ah, yes, exactly. Or is it a feed, huh? Is it? Do I get my ban now? How much time do I have left? You know, like Twitch is pretty wild with the bans I heard lately. You see, I already lose the people viewing. I should turn that off, you know, because then I look always like, oh, what did I do? I lost audience. What did I do? What did I do? You never had an audience, young Padawan. Okay. Ship it. Ship it. Ship it. So we will build artifacts. Yes, just build. And I will push it to production, which is very fancy word for me copying it from one folder to another. Alt artifacts typing trigger, and this is the correct thing. Copy. Now, and def, there's a typing tracker and paste. Yes, replace. This isn't shipping. It's a courier server if done by hand. Is it bad, Brandon? Is it bad, Brandon? Again? Okay, I will write it down too. I already did, but I did not change it. So I will change the stream to 30 FPS next time. Now I would have to stop the stream and start it again. Which I can do actually. We are at the end of the round. So we can try it if you are still here. Okay, so well, this concludes the this session. Stop the clock.